people buy from brands that they know, like, and trust. So when it comes to your business, your main focus in everything that you have to do is to make sure that people get to know you, get to like you, and get to trust so that they can buy at the end. So what are those activities that you're going to do in your business for them to get to know you, right? So this is where it comes to your marketing and your advertisement, right? Because you have to market your business. You have to advertise each day so that somebody new gets to know that you exist. Without marketing, without advertising, no one will get to know you for them to even buy from you, right? Because they don't know you. So you have to now come up with a plan. What is your marketing plan? How are you going to get your word out there that you exist and that you're the one who's going to be providing that solution to their problems? So when you come up with that plan and doing it every day, this is where you have like your advertisements, your content that you get to use, right? Make sure those items that you're going to use to market yourself, to advertise, is something that's answering their questions that they have. There's something that's solving a problem that they have, or giving them some form of enjoyment. Because when you do those things, when you're sharing that content, or your ads are communicating that, it makes them to like you, right? Because they know that you are the one who has the answers. This is what they've been looking for. This is the solution to their problem, your products or your services that you're providing, right? So how are you communicating that so that they get to like you, to say, okay, I think I like this brand. They have something that's going to solve my problem, that's going to answer my questions that I have, that's going to make me feel the way I want to feel, right, through their products or services. This is what I've been looking for. So by doing that, they get to like you, right? And by that, then they start to trust you when you're starting to actually provide the proof that you have those answers that they've been looking for. You have the solution to the things that they're looking for, right? So it can be things like your customer service. How's your customer service? Is it answering the questions they have? Are they being professional? How's your website? Is it structured in a way that it's trustworthy, right? So that they know that if they're going to be buying from you, they will actually get to receive the products that they're buying, right? Because your website looks all nice and professional and trustworthy, right? Not those, those websites where you're like, oh, I don't know where this product is coming from, right? So you have to build the trust throughout the process. So at each point where your ideal customers interact with you, they need to know that they can trust you, right? So whatever you're providing, your customer service, your website, everything, your ads, everything has to look more trustworthy so that they'll be able to trust you enough to make that purchase at the end. So all you have to do now in your business to focus on those three things. How are people get to know you, right? Who is your ideal client? How are they going to get to know you? Be clear on that and make a plan to get known out there through your marketing, your content, your ads, right? And then how are you going to build that like factor, right? How they're gonna start liking you, right? So it can be through your contact, exactly like that, and providing those solutions to the problems that they have, right? So they'll start liking to say, okay, I think I like this brand. This is what I've been looking for, right? And then the trust, how you're building that trust, right? So you have to make sure you're quite transparent. You're building that relationship with them. You're nurturing those relationships with them, because sometimes it takes a couple times for people to get in contact with you, right? I know there's a whole big statistics in the marketing world where they talk about, they need at least 7 touch points before someone can convert to become a buyer at the end, right? So how are you nurturing that relationship with them? How are you continuously going back in front of them to remind them that you have the solution to their problems, right? You have what they've been looking for, and you are the one to provide that product or services that they've been looking for. So all those things, when you really focus on that 3 factor, right, the know, like, and trust factor, you start seeing that you're moving the needle in your business. So let's not complicate things. Make sure everything that you're doing is tied to these 3 factors, that people get to know you, get to like you, and trust you, so that they become buyers at the end. Because the main purpose of a business is to get sales, right? That's all we want. We want to make sales at the end of the day, right? So that you remain in business. Because if you're not making sales in your business, you're not making money. You can't stay open for long, right? Because that's the main purpose of being truthful, is to make money in our business. So I hope this has been useful for you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Put the comments down below and let me know. My name is Rudo Dube. I hope you found this video useful and you like it. Make sure you share with others that might like this video as well, and make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this, where I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, and continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.